Oh my goodness, we're going to have so much fun in Monet Cafe Studio this month with our new July theme called Creative Surfaces, Discovering New Possibilities with Soft Pastels. Now, if you've followed my channel for long, you know I love to experiment. And I also love using products to make my own soft pastel surfaces. This month, I'll be sharing with you some of my favorite techniques. One of them is using regular watercolor paper. Did you know that you can sand watercolor paper and actually apply soft pastels? You'll be amazed at how many layers it actually takes. I'll also be demonstrating and reviewing a watercolor sketchbook by Artix, and I'll teach you how you can create watercolor sketches and apply pastel on top. It's a neat and easy little trick. And I just love providing artists who may be on a budget ways that you can paint with soft pastels without spending all of that money on the professional surfaces. This painting was created on brown paper, like you wrap your packages in. And yes, I've even painted on a brown paper bag. Now, before I get the archival police after me, keep in mind these are great for studies or just enjoying the process. And soft pastels is such a fabulous medium. I always want to share ways that artists on a budget can actually, yes, paint with pastels. And besides making your own pastel surfaces, there are other budget-friendly pastel papers available. I love this surface by Canson XL, and it is an unsanded surface, but it's got a little bit of texture, so it has great results. This is an example of a pastel painting on an unsanded surface, Canson Mitance, very affordable. And I'll be demonstrating many of these techniques this month, including this one that I love, making your own black pastel surface. It's super easy. So in the month of July, you'll be finding these lessons on my YouTube channel, and of course, the extra content and extra goodies on my Patreon page, including a game challenge. Patrons, you guys have been loving these game challenges. And by the way, if you're not a subscribing patron of mine, you can become a free patron of mine on my Patreon page. So keep an eye out for all of these lessons. Be sure to subscribe, follow, all that good stuff. And I'm excited about this painting adventure in the month of July. All right, everyone, God bless and happy painting.